peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 3.2 from the 2018 Maths Lit paper 1, the grade 11 paper, and this question deals with measurement and measuring volume of a fish tank. It says study the fish tank below and answer the questions that follow. So you can see how they've given us the fish tank, they've given us a width. Notice it's all in inches, a length in inches, and a height in inches. Then it says in the first question, calculate the volume of the fish tank above in cubic inches. So we don't have to convert to centimeters or meters, we just can keep it in inches. And it says you may use the following formula. So volume of a tank is length times width times height. So for 3.2.1, it's volume equals your length times your width times your height. So we sub in, they've told us that our length is 30 inches. So it's 30 inches times, they said our width is 12 inches, so it's times by 12 inches, and then you can multiply this part by your height, which is 7.1 inches. Okay, so in your calculators, you type in just the 30 times the 12 times the 7.1, and I get a total of 2,556 inches cubed. So remember, if you look at our units, it's an inch times an inch times an inch, so that's 3 of them. So it's cubic inches, and that's how you write it. You could also rewrite it as inches cubed, but the shorthand for inches is just an IN. So that's the answer for the first question. Okay, so then it says in 3.2.2, the fish tank is 85% full. After adding stones to the bottom of the fish tank is 97% full. Calculate the volume of the stones. So for this one, we need to find out what the volume of the tank is. So how much water is in the tank when it's 85% full. Then we need to find out the volume of water in the tank when it's 97% full, and then subtract the 85% from the 97%, and that's going to give us our difference, and that difference is equal to the volume of the stones, because that's what was added to get it up from 85% to 97%. So for 3.2.2, so the volume of the tank at 85%, so volume of the 85%, so this is going to equal, remember in the last question, we've got the full volume of the tank, so when it's full, is 2,556. So we take this 2,556 inches cubed, multiplied by the 85%, so multiplied by 85 over 100, or you can use the percent button on your calculator, but I prefer to say 85 over 100, and this comes to 2,192.6 inches cubed. So it's the same units. That was just simply done in your calculator. Now we need to find out when it's 97% full. So the volume of the 97%, it's a similar equation, so it's 2,000 556 inches cubed multiplied by 97 over 100, or 97%, and this becomes 2,479.32 inches cubed. Okay, and now we need to find out the volume of the stones. So the volume of your stones, as I said, is going to equal the volume of the 97% minus the volume of the 85%. So this is going to equal 2,479.32 minus your 2,172.6, and this, put in your calculators, so it's the bigger one minus the smaller one in your calculators. This comes to 306.72 inches cubed. That is the volume of the stones, and concludes this question. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read more about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.